Irene here with BrainStormAcres. So this is the current view out of the front door. That's the area we've got mostly kind of under control. This bushy section to the left here, obviously, like there, is a flower bed, and some of it is still really flowering and some of it isn't. Most of the big weeds are gone. And we're doing pretty good, except the front patio looks still a bit of a shambles. It's got a path through it, which makes it safe, but it doesn't look nice. And today, my goal is to get that problem fixed. So, Jack has already decided to go out, and we'll go join him. One of my goals this morning is also to keep the camera in the shade, because it's been too hot lately, and the camera really doesn't like it. So, let's see what we can manage. I have a weapon of mass destruction in the form of a cutter, just in case there are things that are too big to easily pick up. And I need to go get my wagon, which is over there, because I buried it under a bunch of dead weeds. So I have a pile of dead weeds here. I'm going to get them out of here. It's just that, in and of itself, will make this place look a lot better. These were not intended to stay here. It was just one of those things that sometimes when you run out of time, you run out of time. I don't like leaving things like this here because it's encouragement for all sorts of crud, including snakes and buggies that we don't want, all that sort of stuff. I feel like there's water in the bottom here. Not a good thing. So we will pour that into a flower bed because why not? Tell that some of this stuff is going to be a real pain. Smell that water that was in there. That's fermentation. Not in a good way. That's the kind of good smell that you get from, say, a good beer brew. What kind of bad smell would you get from something rotting? I also have some nasty buffalo Gordon here that needs to go. Smell this stuff. Runs in through the fence over there. And he takes extremely harsh measures to control it. What do we need? Extra pair of paws.
I'm going to pick this battery up and pull the handle back.
Okay.
So it's like, because the rest of the mechanism is just turning and I don't want to snap it off.
Okay, so this needs to go through this?
Underneath here.
Okay.
Oh, that must be a holder for the hose. Well, you want to hold on to that?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, I need to go get a bolt out of the car.
Okay. Anything else for anything else?
Nope.
Okay, I shall run back to killing weed.
while.